Hey guys, I just want to remind you that every day, excuse me, every day you should be setting a goal. You can do that either by clicking here in your platform, which is the week view, and then you can go to the day and set a goal. And sometimes you may not know what that goal is because I've you've already passed the focus area or you're ahead or whatever, and I can start helping you with goals, and that's also going to change whenever we start projects. Another way you can set a goal is when you actually click on the focus area itself. This pops up at the bottom, so please make sure that you are setting a daily goal. Like, for example, if you haven't even taken the diagnostic yet, that's your goal today. If you've taken it and you haven't attempted content, but you have notes, then your goal is to attempt the content assessment. Like that's what we're looking for. And then lastly, I just want to talk about the order in which you should be completing these focus areas because a lot of people are used to doing power, then additional, then power, then additional, which works in some classes, but not this one. Also, Mexican National Era, the due date on it is before Spanish exploration. So people have a tendency to want to do that one first. Don't it because it's out of order. History is chronological. So the first focus area you should do is natural Texas. Then you should do Spanish exploration. Then you should do Mexican National Era, followed by Texas Revolution, Republic of Texas, and then annexation. The other ones are not really until the second semester, and I'll talk to you more about that. So that is a super important thing for you to know so you can take them in the proper order. And the second thing I want to talk to you about is notes. For that first focus area, I told you just get me your notes some way or another, but it's become really hard to check everyone's notes. So going forward in classwork, there's going to be an entire note submission section. So like natural Texas notes, for example, I have 12 people who have turned it in that way. A lot of other people have emailed it, and that's okay because I said that was okay for the first. But for the next power focus area, this is the only way that I will be able to take your notes. So essentially what you do is all of these each of you will have a Google Doc and you just take pictures of your notes and you submit the assignment as these students have done. That's the easiest way for me to check them. When you request a test, I know exactly where to go. So that just really prevents notes getting lost. My email, like if my email's blowing up with students and I get teacher emails, student emails, kids are asking questions on Zoom. So it just gets really difficult. So just be aware that you've got to set goals. This is the order that we take the notes in, and we're going to start submitting them in Google Classroom. And I think that is it. Thank you.